up, guys? My name is Jacob. I'm here with the Contracting Clients on Demand program. Today we're going to be talking about the importance of having a client success manager on your team. If you like the info that we're bringing to you on this channel, definitely like this video and subscribe so we can send you more great content. A client success manager is a person on your team who's solely devoted to making your clients happy. This is a huge thing that we've learned in our personal business and something that we strive to help our businesses that we are consulting with implement as well. So when you have a business and you're an entrepreneur and you're wearing 30 different hats, you're running all over the place, you're not doing anything similar to what you were doing last week because the business is always changing and evolving, it's really easy to lose that personal connection with your client. And what a client success manager's primary goal to do is to basically work with your clients and spend time with them. So a lot of times we're so focused on metrics like, hey, how can we get more jobs? How can we do all these things? And they're very important. But the most important thing is building relationships with your clients. So not only are they extremely satisfied with your service or product, not only are they excited to share your name with their friends and family, but also it just provides a much more enjoyable business experience having happy clients. And as business people, especially sales guys, we're gung-ho on getting more sales, cranking that engine so that we can scale up the business, that we sometimes forget to build stable foundations. So what a client success manager really does is kind of like if you're building, a wall out of bricks, they're the concrete that goes in between the bricks. They're the key player that's going to hold your organization together because they're going to be able to allot amounts of time to helping your clients work through issues that really aren't issues, more so just that they want to be heard. And that's what we've learned in our business is that if you can just have somebody on staff who's available to talk to your clients and just hear them, even rant for 5 to 10 minutes, normally they'll do whatever you want them to do. A lot of times it's really just people need to be heard and automated systems aren't going to cut it. Client success managers are singularly the most important aspect of our attention service. Because we work on a subscription model, basically, people are always looking for reasons to cancel. And having that client success manager is going to stop a lot of those excuses dead in their tracks and make your client base much more happy. So I hope this video was valuable to you guys. If you'd like more info, definitely click down below. Go to www.mediasimplifiednow.com and we can get you some more info or schedule a consultation. Thank you so much, guys. My name's Jacob. Have a wonderful day.